Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inspecting the rim closely to find cracks, bends, and deep curb gouges. Mark each spot with tape so you don't miss anything. Next, remove the wheel or at least loosen lugs and lift the car safely. This gives full access to the rim. Clean the damaged area with solvent to remove brake dust and grease so repairs bond properly. Once clean, sand around the damage to roughen paint edges and reveal metal for patching and filling. You now address shape and surface. Use a rubber mallet and a block to tap out small bends, working slowly and checking fit against a straight edge. For deeper gouges, mix a metal-grade epoxy or filler and pack it into the void, slightly overfilling to allow for sanding. Let it cure fully as instructed. Once cured, sand starting with 320 grit and progress to 600 grit to create a smooth transition. Make sure to feather the surrounding paint so primer adheres evenly. You finish by priming the repaired area with a self-etching primer and light, even coats to promote adhesion. Allow full flash times between coats. Once primed and lightly sanded, spray chrome-compatible paint or a matched finish in multiple thin passes to avoid runs, then allow the full cure time before polishing for shine. Remount the wheel, torque lugs to spec, and balance the wheel. If you feel vibration or see bubbles, stop, unmount, and inspect for trapped air or an
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.